everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mothra from the new Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mothra, let's begin with the eyes. And we're going to be drawing this pretty small because she's got some big wings we have to fill. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little line. It's just going to come up and down. And then another little line is just going to come up and down here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down and up for the eyes, and then down and up for the eyes. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down for kind of like her eyebrows. Next, I'm going to make an oval shape for her mouth. And then I'll make a line that comes down and then one little curved line underneath it. I'm going to make a little bump on each side of her mouth. And then a little kind of pointed curved line around there to kind of show she's got some fur. Then we're going to do a little bit of fur around the top for the head. We'll make a line that comes up and down like this for one of the antennas, and same thing, up and down and then back up. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to bring it up. Same thing here, we're going to go down and then up. I'll make this line come down. We're going to curve it up and then back down. Same thing here. Let's just go down and up and then back down. Bring this line up. Then I'm going to make another line that's just going to go down and up. Then we'll curve it over to here so she's got some more legs. Same thing here, we're just going to go down and up, and then a little curve here. Next, I'm going to bring this down and up. I'm going to curve this line down and up, and this line down and up. We'll make this line come down, and this line come down. We'll make some points, we'll bring this up and over. Same thing here, a couple bumps, and bring this up. Then right back here, we're going to make a little point for like her stinger. Then I'm going to add a couple little lines right across her stomach, so it's a little different texture. Now let's work on her wings. So her wings are going to be big. That's why we drew her so small. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to bring this line up. And then we're going to kind of curve it all the way to the edge of the paper. And then same thing here, kind of curve this up, and then bring it down towards this end of the paper. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and down. And then same thing here, bring this line up and down. Bring this line down and then curve it up. And bring this line down and then curve it up. Next, we're going to bring this line over. And then we're going to bring this line over. Next, I'm going to bring a nice broken line right to here. And then another nice broken line right to here. We'll do a broken line here and a broken line here. Now, she's got these kind of like eyes on here. So we're going to make a big oval shape here and then a big oval shape over here. And then inside of here, I'm going to make like a curve on each one with like a smaller one inside to make it kind of look like eyes. Then we're going to make this line kind of come down and up, and then same thing, this one kind of go down and then bring it back. I'm going to make some kind of broken lines right here. And then a few more kind of broken lines right here, just kind of separate some stuff. And then we're going to make some long lines kind of coming out of here for some detail, and then a couple more here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mothra from the new Godzilla and Kong, the New Empire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.